In this video, we will talk about how to take a non-proportional equation and put it on a graph. The same example we are looking at was from the day prior. The entrance fee to a carnival is $10. Each ride and snack ticket costs $2 each. So we're still going to show our process here and the total cost, but then we're going to put those into ordered pairs so we can plot them on a graph. So 0 amount of tickets, 2 times 0 plus 10 is 10. So my ordered pair is 0, 10. 0 is the x, which is tickets, and y is the total cost, which is 10. Next, I'm going to do one ticket. So $2 times 1 plus 10 gives me 12. So my ordered pair is one ticket, $12. For 2 tickets, I'm going to do $2 times 2, which is 4, and then 4 plus 10 is 14. So my ordered pair is 2, 14, 2 tickets, $14. And then the last example I have here is 3 tickets, so $2 times 3 plus 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. So my ordered pairs are 3 tickets, $16.